Oye, dame la escoba. Dame? What does that mean? You meant give me the broom? Now, ponla aquí. Ponla, put it? Sí. And if you want me to give it to someone else, dáselo a. Dame, ponlo, dáselo. My head is spinning. Welcome to Spanish Commands. Let me teach you the words that make everything happen. Hi everyone, welcome back to Hola Easy Spanish. Today, we're diving into one of the most practical aspects of Spanish, the Spanish commands. These are not just grammar rules. They are the magic words that get things done in Spanish-speaking countries. By the end of this video, you'll master dame, ponlo, dáselo, and many more essential commands that Spanish speakers use every single day. Are you ready? ¡Vamos! Let's start with the basics. In Spanish, we have different ways to give commands depending on who we're talking to. For tú, informal, friends, family, people your age or younger. Dame. Dame agua. Dame tu número. Ponlo, ponla. Ponlo aquí. Ponla en la mesa. Dámelo, dámela. Dámelo ahora. Dámelo, por favor. Let's practice. I'll say the English, you say the Spanish. Give me the book. Dame el libro. Perfecto. Put it there. Ponlo allí. Excelente. Give it to me. Dámelo. Buen trabajo. Now, let's level up. What if we want to tell someone to give something to someone else? Then you need dáselo. Pónselo. Díselo. Dáselo a María. Pónselo al bebé. Díselo a tu hermano. Practice round 2. Your turn again. Same thing. I'll say the English, you say the Spanish. Give it to Pedro. Correcto. Dáselo a Pedro. Tell it to your mom. Bien. Díselo a tu mamá. Put it on the table for her. Excelente. Pónselo en la mesa. Now, let's see the essential everyday commands. Here are the commands you'll hear and use constantly, like at home, tráeme, pásame, ayúdame. At work or at school, envíame, muéstrame, enséñame. In social situations, cuéntame, espérame, sígueme. What about polite commands? For polite commands, por favor, to make any command polite. Dame agua, por favor. Ayúdame, por favor. Díselo, por favor. In formal situations, use usted form. Deme instead of dame. Póngalo instead of ponlo. Dígame instead of dime. It's time for real practice. I'll give you situations and you choose the right command. You are at a restaurant and you want the waiter ring you the menu. Your answer? Tráeme el menú, por favor. Excelente. You need your college at the school, send you a document. Your answer? Envíame el documento. Bien hecho. You want your brother to give your phone to your sister. Your answer? Dáselo a mi hermana. Excelente. Congratulations! You have just mastered one of the most practical Spanish commands. These are not just grammar exercises, they are real tools to real conversations. Your homework: practice with the Spanish speakers this week. Start with dame and ponlo. You'll be amazed at how often you use them. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you. Subscribe for more practical Spanish lessons and let me know in the comments which command you found most useful. Hasta la próxima. Nos vemos.